Open up thy heart. The Odes of Solomon. Open up thy heart, let thy love abound, bring forth fruit, rise up and stand on holy ground. Keep the mystery, keep the faith, know him in truth, turn not away. He imprinted his seal on thy face. Abide in the Lord, pray and increase. Let the silent speak, let the despised rise. Their righteousness will be lifted up, and they shall receive the knowledge of the Most High. John 15, verse 16. I have ordained that ye should go and bring forth fruit, and that your fruit should remain. Amen.